안녕하세요 everyone. Today I want to show you how to make one of my favorite banchan, especially at the restaurant, soft tofu with a sauce. There are a few side dishes that are often served in Korean restaurants, regardless of what you order. We call them 기본 banchan, which translates to basic side dishes. And today we'll be using soft tofu, Sundubu, to make this side dish. Sundubu is the softest type and it is normally packed in this kind of package. It also contains a lot of liquid, so you'll need to remove as much liquid as you can. I'm going to place the tofu on a wire rack for 15 minutes. It has already drained this much liquid in a short time. Let me briefly explain the different types of tofu. There are few, but today I want to show you the hard type and the softest type. The main difference is the texture. The ingredients used in making tofu are the same, but the taste and texture differ depending on how much liquid it contains. As tofu itself doesn't have a strong flavor, I want to add a sauce that goes well with this type of tofu. Thinly slice the green onion. Chop the chili to your taste. A bit of red chili will add a nice color to the sauce. In a small bowl, combine green onion, chilies, dark soy sauce, water, sesame oil, and toasted sesame seeds. Stir well and set aside. This dish can be served both warm and cold. Today I'll keep the tofu cold in the refrigerator and then slice it into 1-inch or 2-inch thick pieces. Add the sauce to each piece of tofu just before serving. It makes a great appetizer or side dish for any kind of meal. This dish can be served either warm or cold. Both taste awesome. Sundubu, the softest tofu, has a slippery and creamy texture, and the sauce adds an accent to this dish. Once you try this dish, you'll fall in love with it.